Today was a wintry chilled morning. Everything was so pure and beautiful, drenched with frozen dew. During my morning walk today, I noticed this beautiful field covered with morning mist. It looked so magical that I thought to paint this landscape today with the watercolor doodle. So let's begin. This doodle may look complicated, but it's very easy and simple technique for beginner. I'm using weight on weight technique and using round brush size 12. The reason behind using this brush is this brush can hold more water or color at a time, and it creates beautiful weight on weight technique and blending effect with watercolor. I am using color yellow, green, dark green and a little bit of brown because autumn just left us behind. So we'll be using some brown to signify the dry leaves. After completing the field, I will create a misty sky and some forest-like structure with weight on weight technique. And I'll be using color blue, and instead of green I'll be using blue to signify the mist. This is very loose watercolor technique. This is not exact replica of the landscape. Just play with the colors, so whichever color you choose, different shades of blue and brown to create the misty effect. The feel is important here, not the actual copy of the landscape. That how I think during creating this painting. After creating the loose structure of the landscape, I will wait for a few moments to dry the colors properly, and then I'll be using my 0.3 mm black fineliner to draw the doodle on them. For the doodle, I'll be using Zentangle doodles with different forms and shapes, but the shapes may look complicated, but the structure is very easy. I am using simple lines and simple round structure that anyone can make. Hope you will like my idea of this painting with watercolor doodle. If you like, please give a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel to see more watercolor doodle and art and journal related videos in future. Thank you so much for watching so far. I appreciate your time and I hope to see you again in my next video. Until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and live a creative life. Goodbye.